Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Escape the hustle and the bustle and find your slice of paradise in this stunning family home in the making. Nestled in the cool, tranquil hills of Highgate, St. Mary, sitting on over half an acre of lush land, this property offers not just a home but a lifestyle. One filled with serene sunsets, breathtaking views, and the simple joys of picking fresh coconuts or sugarcane straight from your backyard. Only 20 minutes from Port Maria. This versatile gem is ready to be whatever you envision. Dreaming big? Transform it into a multi unit apartment complex, a cozy bed and breakfast, or even a senior living retreat. Already earning income. This expansive property boasts 10 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, including 8 ensuite bedrooms and a fully self contained 2-bedroom basement. This isn't just a house, it's an opportunity to create your ideal life or business venture. Ready to make it yours? Call today and let's turn your dreams into reality. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 250,000 or Jamaican $39.4 million to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.